This is Senior Create the Heart, and I am back with a super quick little Destash Pinkfresh Studio Destash, and really like the beginning stuff is stuff that's brand new. I just bought 2 of them. So let's see how it's gonna go. So this one right here is called Nature's Narrative, brand new. I just happened to buy it twice. So it's brand new. It's the stencil as well as the die. So for this one right here, I am going to sell this one for $28. And shipping for this is $5. If you buy it with something else in this Destash, then shipping is free. So it's going to be $5 for the first item, and then shipping is going to be free. So if you buy 2 or more items, shipping is free. So that's just because shipping is so expensive. This one is called Dreamer's Forest. I have the stamp set and I have the stencil, brand new, never used. And so it's pretty cool. I'm actually really excited to be using this one right here. And so the normal price for this is $36. I'm going to sell it for $27 for both those pieces. And again, like I said, shipping is $5 for one item. And then if you buy 2 or more, then there's no shipping. So, okay, now moving on to some other things here. We have, this is from the Create and Connect card making event that I just went to with Pinkfresh Studio. And, you know, I really dithered about whether I was going to destash this stuff or not. The truth is, I have to limit how much florals I have because I just am not going to be able to use them. And I just don't want tons and tons of cards that are floral. And that's just my preference. So in this, you get, and so the price that they said for this is $51. I'm going to sell it for $45. It's exclusive, meaning it won't be for sale on their website. So you're only going to be able to get it through somebody who went to the event. It includes the stamp, the stencil, and the die. And then just to give you an idea, here's one of the cards that I made in the class. So you can see it's really beautiful. I really do like it, but like I said, I can't have that many florals. And so this is the Shizuku Sakura, and normally $51. I'm going to sell it for $45. And again, shipping is $5 if you buy 1. If you buy 2 or more items, then there's no shipping at all. So there you go. This one right here is called Oriental Bloom, and it includes the stamp set, the stencil, and the die. And this is another exclusive to people who went to the event. And it's very beautiful. But like I said, I just know that I'm not going to use it. And I have so many florals by Pinkfresh right now that I'm probably going to have to destash. But I just don't. This is already just kind of sitting and getting ready to be put away. So here it is. And then to give you an idea of what it looks like, here is one of the cards that I made in the class. So you can get an idea of what it looks like. Very pretty. And then the last one is this one. So that one is going to be $45 as well. I'll put the prices in the description. Shipping is $5 if you buy 1 item, or it's waived, no shipping if you buy 2 or more. Okay, so this one's called Chirpy Mithu, and it includes the stamp set, the stencil, and the die. And for all of these items, I just use them to make my projects for the class. And then just to give you an idea of what it looks like, here's one of the cards that I made in the class. So if you are interested in any of these items, you need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. I accept PayPal, and I'd like you to pay right away. And I ship using flat rate shipping priority. So it's just, you'll get a tracking number if I can get to it. But there's a tracking number, so it will be sent to you pretty quickly, hopefully tomorrow. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Create the Heart.